cashier ko, no? Yan mo. Anong gusto mo? Ano yung cashier? Mas maganda yung
Walking where the sun is down, writing all the signs, waiting for the call down.
Depende sa kakain.
Doing this late, just glad that I can't breathe. I'm trying to realize
We also have durian. Durian na walang amoy. And what is this?
Carrot, apple,
Carrot juice. Carrot apple? Ah, may apple pa pala siya plus ginger. Sarap, sarap ng ano, sarap ng lasa. And what do you have there?
And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? My phone down, scrolling patiently. It's all the same to me. Faces on the screen. Yeah, I'm trying to realize it's alright to not be
Kasi
fine
ang deep niya.
on your own.
Hamas.
Now
Tapos,
shaking,
tanggalin niya yan.
drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? Yeah, yeah. And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through?
Para masisip mo yung purple. Ano yung mas delicious? Hindi ba kasi lang
Bye-bye, Ate Tess. Hi.
And there's one thing that I need
Sinundo
from
na si
you.
Ate Tess.
Can you
Si, ano yan? Si driver ni Ate Tess. Si, say hi. I can't see you. Si Det. Yan, sinundo na si Ate Tess ni Mr. Det.
Yeah.
Tsaka si Jos. Ay, si ano pala?
Buddy.
Si Sis. Ay, si Taj pala. Hello. Ayan, si Sexy Marlene! Bye-bye! Ano to? Mang-a-attack ulit tayo ng bahay ng may bahay. Yung may-ari andun. Bye-bye! Mauna na sila. Kami nakamotor lang. So, ang vlog natin ngayon ay our vlog for today is vlog natin yung bahay ni Pretty Jules. So, from here sa labas maingay yung background. Andun ang parking. Nandun yung motor ko. Ay, sinara. Andun yung parking. Tapos, ng motor. Ayan. Mapapaayan tayo, Malme. Ayan. Ganda nung mga halaman na yellow. Pasok tayo sa bahay ni Sis Jules. Dito tayo. Check natin sa loob. Pasok ako, ha. Hi! So, dito kami nag-study today. Ayan, naglilinis na si Jules. Ang cute ng kanyang bahay. Hoy, may dawn breakers ka pala, oh. cute ng bag niya.
love you.
Ayan, sa bandura.
I don't know what else to say, 'cause I long for you more each day. I need you. I want to feel your
Bangko Central
embrace
to.
and have the chance to
Ano to,
touch
Kalinga?
your face.
Oo, Kalinga ito eh. Kalinga.
I was lost in love, but you showed me the way. Now I call you my own.
Ay, sa Israel.
Things will never be the same. How could I know you will hold me close so tenderly, even though I'm alone? I can feel your arms enfolding me, and that love became mine in just one night. When you held me tight, ooh, it felt
Cute ng
so
kanyang sofa.
right.
Eh, syempre, nag-iisa lang siya. Ang kanyang everyday bag.
I feel you. You're always here in my heart. It's where I've kept you since we're far apart. I was lost and alone, but you showed me the way. Can't go on my own. Wishing that you would stay. How could I know you will hold me close so tenderly, even
Masilip ng kwarto. Okay lang yan. Ang cute ng room. Pang ano talaga. Pang girl alone. Gandang size na to. Ang pag nagpagawa ako ng bahay sa probinsya ganito. Tapos, malinis dito sa kanila. Ang kanyang closet.
Wishing that you would stay. Tell me that you would stay.
Diba? Ang cute.
Could I know
Uy, galit ka na dyan. Joke lang. Tara natin. Cute ng kwarto. Yung aircon. Siyempre mainit dito sa summertime. Yan. Tapos, dito ang ano to?
feel you.
Banyo. Toilet.
Always
Tara!
here in my heart. It's where I've kept you
Malinis.
since we're far apart. I was lost and alone, but you showed me the way. Can't go on my own. Wishing that you would stay. How could I know you will hold me close so tenderly, even though I'm alone? I can feel your arms
Pagawa ko ng ganitong bahay, mahal. Cute siya. Nandito ang kanyang refrigerator. A little kitchen. A tiny kitchen. So, ayan. Nagkalat kami. Bahala ka na magligpit dyan. Tapos dito ang back door. May back door pa siya. Ayan, may aloe vera siya. May washing machine pa pala dito. And then dito sa likod. Ikaw ba ang pinakalas? Ayan yung saging na one-sided. Hanggang dun sa dulo, saging na one-sided. Hi! Salamat! Sana yung aking kasama. Hey, where's my bag? I'm there. Nabenta pala akong bag. Ayun pala. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ganda ng weather today. Uy, yan na. Alis na tayo mga kagala, mga kamotor. Iwanan natin si Jules.
でも気持ちは伝えてしまえばいつかこの夢は覚めてしまうだろうな青い影が揺れる街角君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するのもっと噂の dreaming
Babay sa inyo lahat.